Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my video for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, therefore yesterday when I looked at the chart of gold before going to bed, gold was running around 321510 area. Yesterday we had a festival, so I was busy. Today in the morning, when I opened the chart of gold, I could not believe my eyes. Gold has been full of surprises, okay? And this was shocking. Gold was trading around 3270, and now we can see that gold is trading around 328081 area. So we can see that gold is super bullish again. Few days ago, we discussed about the possibility of a correction. Remember, because we had a divergence on the daily chart and 3250 was trying its best. I won't say resistance, it was trying its best to act as resistance. But market sentiment is above all, as we all know it. So market sentiment made gold fly again. So on the daily chart, we can see that obviously market did not come for proper correction, which was important. But now market is going up. Obviously, this is not very healthy because market is trading at the record high right now. So if you're a swing trader, positional trader, if you have any ongoing buy, you can hold your buy position. Yes, you can hold your buy position because sky is the limit. Nobody knows from where market will reverse or from where we will see some correction. It can be 3350, it can be 3500, it can be 3700. Nobody knows because we have seen that gold has been crazy for the last couple of weeks and months. Obviously, there will be some corrections in between, but trend reversal only God knows. And right now, we don't have any news also that will bring a selling pressure on the chart of gold. So if market comes down also, for example, during the US session, if you see some correction, big red candles, keep in mind there is no news. There is no news means it will be a temporary correction of just 1 to 2 days. That's it. As a day trader, you can sit on a sell position. But if you're a swing trader, positional trader, corrections are the best things okay that can happen to you because you will get a better price, discounted price. Okay, so if you're a swing trader, positional trader, if you have ongoing buy, hold your buy position, and if you're looking for fresh position in the market, wait for the market to correct. Any sort of correction will do because chances of market coming down to 3100 to 3000, okay, I don't think so right now. Okay, but if market shows any correction, that will be better for you. So whatever we have on the chart right now are mostly for day traders only, because for swing trading and position trading you need a proper correction that we don't have right now. And my dear friends, before I begin, let me announce the winner of the last week's giveaway, and it's Pramod Thatapudi 8593. So Mr. Pramod, congratulations, you have won a $5,000 challenge account from Fund Your FX. So all these giveaways are sponsored by Fund Your FX, an award-winning pro firm operating since 2021, specialized in instant funding. Unlike other pro firms, you don't need to go for challenges like phase 1, phase 2. You can directly go for instant funding here as well. And the best thing about Fund Your FX is that they do not have a daily drawdown. They have an overall drawdown limit. So feel free to check out. The link is in the description. If you want to purchase instant funding, okay, you'll also find a code of Avilash 10 that you can use to get 10% discount. You can see they have $5,000 account, $10,000 account, 25,000. If you want to go for challenges, then also you can go for phase 1 or phase 2 as well. All the details are mentioned on the website. Feel free to check out. And Mr. Promote, congratulations. Please contact me on the email or the WhatsApp that you can see on the screen right now. Okay, and market is bullish, there is no doubt about it. Okay, you can see gold hits record high on economic growth concerns. Gold prices raised to an all-time high on Wednesday, driven by a weaker dollar, trade war tensions, and concerns over global economic due to US President Donald Trump's tariff plans, which led to safe haven inflows. Gold sets new record. Gold pushes higher as trade war casualties mount. So trade wars sentiment is dominating the market again. And as I said, nobody knows from where the market will reverse. So as a result, it will be better for us to respect the ongoing situation and sit on buy and retracement. Because hope cannot be a trading strategy. You cannot hope that there will be a reversal. Because if you sit on a sell position hoping for a reversal, and if market starts going up, okay, from here, and if market hits 3300, 3350, then obviously your capital will be washed out. You don't want it, isn't it? So as of now, market is bullish, so try to be on the buy side only for safety. Okay, now let's discuss about the trading opportunities one by one. Okay, and if we look at the contracts data, okay, we have seen earlier also at 2350 we had good number of contracts. Next level is 3300. We can see already contracts are reducing, so I don't think so. Double three, double not double T, double three. Okay, double three double zero 30. 3,300, okay, is not the level from where we can expect reversal. Around 3295, yes, around 3295, market may face some temporary resistance. Sometimes we see, isn't it? After hitting the resistance, market consolidated on. After the market boom, market goes up. So this type of scenario may happen. I don't think so. There will be a complete downside because number of contracts are not very high. And if we look at the economy calendar, we have a news coming up during the not during the US at night. Okay, I'll be sleeping, and most of the traders from Asia will be sleeping, I guess. So be careful. Okay, if any drastic move comes up, okay, then your stop loss may be okay in trouble. So be careful when the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell will come. Okay. So at first, let's discuss the best levels to buy. Okay, so the best level on the chart of gold is around 3245, 3241. This is the best support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. Why 324541 is the best level? Because the previous resistance will be working as support. Right now, obviously 324540 seems to be far away. But during the US session, if market comes down for deeper retracement, this is a good, very good level where we can look for a buy position as a day trader. If you're a swing trader, then also you can enter here as well. Position traders, nothing. Okay. So 324541 is a level where you can look for a buy position. But as we can clearly see on the chart right now, this level is far away. थोड़ा दूर है. So we can also look for a support around 3260, 3256. 3260, 3256 is another level where we can look for a buy position if market comes for retracement. Why? Because of previous strong price rejection around this area. And if we use our beloved Fibonacci here, okay, I think we have a FIBO support around this area as well. Not a very strong support like 3245, but yes, we cannot deny that we have bias around 326056 area as well. If market comes down and takes support, we can look for a buy position around this area as well. So when market will come to this zone here, observe the market on a lower time frame like 5 or 15 minutes. If you see market shows price rejection from below, hit the buy button. Okay, and in all the trades you can keep your TP open. Okay, just go with a stop loss of minimum 50 to 60 pips and you can keep your TP open. If you feel that 50 pip stop loss is very high, then okay, gold is a commodity that requires high stop loss. Tight stop loss do not work, and especially in a volatile market like this. Okay, so these are the two best levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position, but we can see that they are far away, isn't it? So we can also look for immediate support around 3275 area. So but let me remind you, okay, this is a weak level, 3275, 3272, because right now chances of market coming down to these levels are very less. So if market takes support around this area, as a day trader, you can look for buy around this area as well. Okay, and if you want, you can also look for a buy around this area as well. So these are the minor support levels where we can look for a buy as a day trader. For example, 327572, 3266. Okay, these are few levels where we can look for a buy if market comes and takes support. Okay, right now we can see the market is showing signs of retracement. Pray to God that we get some good retracement, because retracement rates are more safer. So these are the weak levels, okay, and these are the good levels. So let's hope for the best that we get some trades around the good levels, not the weak levels, okay, because they are stronger. And if market doesn't come for retracement at all, okay, then obviously we can look for a buyer breakout, but in the morning in the group I mentioned that okay, consolidation is important. So here also I'll mention the same thing, consolidation is important. Okay, right now we can clearly see there is no sign of consolidation here. Okay, market is just coming down. So let the market consolidate for 2 to 3 hours like this. After that, if market breaks 3286 area, then you can look for a buy. If market goes up without consolidation, be careful. You can go for a buy breakout because gold is super bullish, but go with a small lot size because without consolidation, whenever a breakout comes, there is a chance of false breakout. Okay, and be careful during the US session. And my dear friends, obviously market is trading at the high right now. So use proper stop loss. Because many of you have a bad habit of not using stop loss, not trading without stop loss. And when a fall comes, because obviously at one point correction will come, okay, then you may suffer. Okay, so be careful and try to stick to the levels. Do not gamble. Bye bye. Take care.